intelligence is evolving at an unbelievable pace, and one of the biggest names in the industry, Elon Musk, is making bold moves with his AI company, Eki. His latest creation, Grok 3, is a game changer in AI technology, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. But what exactly is Grok 3? How does it compare to other AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude? And could it be the most powerful AI yet? Let's dive deep into the world of Grok 3 and find out. What is Grok 3? Grok 3 is the third generation AI model developed by Eki, designed to be more advanced, intelligent, and useful than its predecessors. While previous versions of Grok were impressive, Grok 3 takes things to the next level by improving in key areas like reasoning, multimodal understanding, and real-time internet access. One of its biggest strengths is that it's not just a chatbot. Unlike traditional AI models that rely solely on pre-trained data, Grok 3 is capable of browsing the internet to provide up-to-date, real-time information. This means it doesn't just repeat old knowledge, it can analyze live data, fact-check information, and deliver more relevant and accurate answers than many other AI models. How smart is Grok 3? To truly understand how powerful Grok 3 is, let's take a look at some of its performance benchmarks. Mathematics. Grok 3 achieved a 93.3% score on the AMY, American Invitational Mathematics Examination, which is one of the most challenging high school level math exams in the world. This puts Grok 3 on par with some of the best math students globally. Graduate level science. It scored 84.6% on graduate level scientific reasoning tests, demonstrating its ability to tackle complex problems in fields like physics, chemistry, and engineering. Coding and problem solving. Grok 3 excelled in live codebench, scoring 79.4%, showing its strength in writing, debugging, and optimizing code, making it a powerful assistant for developers. These scores prove that Grok 3 is not just another AI, it's an intelligent, problem-solving machine capable of handling some of the toughest challenges in different fields. What makes Grok 3 special? Now, you might be wondering, what sets Grok 3 apart from AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini? Well, here are a few key features that make it stand out. 1. Multimodal capabilities. Unlike many AI models that primarily work with text, Grok 3 is multimodal, meaning it can understand and process text, images, and even videos. This allows it to analyze visual content, recognize patterns in images, and provide insights that go beyond just text-based responses. For example, if you upload a picture of a complex math equation, Grok 3 won't just read it, it can solve it. If you show it an image of a mechanical part, it can analyze and explain its function. 2. Real-time internet access. Grok 3 is not limited to pre-existing knowledge like many AI models. Thanks to its deep search feature, it can browse the web in real time, allowing it to retrieve the latest news, verify facts, and provide the most current and relevant answers. Imagine you're researching a stock market trend, a new scientific discovery, or a breaking news event. Grok 3 won't just rely on old data. Instead, it will search the web, analyze the latest information, and give you an up-to-date response. 3. Advanced reasoning and critical thinking. One of the biggest challenges for AI has always been understanding context and reasoning like a human. Grok 3 tackles this issue with an improved chain of thought process, meaning it breaks down complex problems step by step, identifies errors, and even backtracks to correct mistakes, just like a human would. This makes it incredibly useful for tasks that require logical thinking, such as coding, scientific research, and problem solving in general. 4. AI with a sense of humor. Elon Musk has claimed that Grok is designed to be more fun and engaging than other AI models. Unlike traditional AI, which tends to be formal and neutral, Grok 3 is more witty and entertaining, making conversations feel more natural and engaging. How can you access Grok 3? Currently, Grok 3 is available to Premium Plus subscribers on X, formerly Twitter. It can also be accessed through Grok.com, iOS, and Android apps, making it widely available to users who want to experience its capabilities firsthand. If you are a developer, student, or professional looking for an AI assistant that can think critically, solve problems, and provide real-time information, then Grok 3 might be one of the best options available. The future of AI, What's next for Grok? Elon Musk has been very vocal about the future of AI and his vision for Eki. He believes that AI should be more truthful, less biased, and aligned with human values. While many AI models have been criticized for having political or ideological biases, Eki aims to develop a system that is as neutral and fact-based as possible. Grok 3 is a huge step in that direction, but it's just the beginning. The team at Eki is already working on Grok 4 and beyond, with plans to make AI even smarter, more capable, and more aligned with human reasoning. But with such powerful AI comes an important question: how will it be used? Will AI like Grok 3 be used responsibly to help humanity, or could it become too powerful and create ethical concerns? These are the questions that experts, policymakers, and AI developers will have to address as AI technology continues to advance.